Hi everyone, I am Joanne from Ningbo, Colorido. It's my pleasure to invite you to attend the 2024 Printing United Fair, which will be held in Las Vegas Convention Center. Time is September 10th to September 12th. At that time, we will display our latest model, socks printer, and also bring our new technology, visual printing. What is visual printing? Let me give you an example. From the market, no matter print on the face, on the socks, or print our pet face on the socks, we always say it's black toe and black heel and black toe. But after using this technology, you can print whatever designed, like this one. It's no longer black toe and black heel. See? Because our technology can jump the colored part, just print on the blank surface. Let me give you a video to share here. See? You can see it's just print the blank part, not the colorful part. That's our new technology. In this fair, we will show you this new technology. It makes your business more opportunities and more possibilities. We want to see you at our booth. See you there. Our booth number is here. See you.